Let's get working on the bees. What should I do first? Should I start working on the bees or should I clean the garden first? Let's work on the bees first. Okay, I'm taking you with me. Let's get real up close and cozy with it. Okay. First priority, lighting the smoker. Damn it. This is the step that always takes a while. Not very good at lighting a smoker yet. Usually I use one of those gas burners. But I couldn't find it. I could probably go about this in a smarter way. Maybe I can use some cardboard. Nah, I'm gonna need some cardboard. Okay, let's see. Maybe I can use some of that stuff. This step always takes the longest, man. Maybe I should just get one of those burners. It's probably gonna be easier this way. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna put you back on the tripod and I'll get one of those burners. Okay, I got the burner. Let's go. Ugh. All right. Yo, 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 Victor, what's up, bro? Ooh. What's up, Buxy? What's up, guys? How are you doing today? Sunny Wednesday, no, Thursday afternoon, actually. For some reason, it feels like Wednesday in my head. I'm good. It's first really sunny day out, so I'm gonna try to spend it with the bees. See how they're doing. Apart from throat infection, nothing much. The herb garden. What's the herb garden? herb garden in Leuven. Vabbing a bit. Okay, cool. Yeah, you'll see how we do it here. It's the first big inspection I'm gonna do this year. First big inspection after winter, so we're gonna check how they're all doing. I know this one already died. There's no bees in this one left. They all died in winter. This one I think is not doing super good, but this one is really, it's really amazing, this one. Just a minute ago there was like a ton of bees there, because they already ran from the smoke. Damn, dude, you guys are sick. I had a bit of a flu the past days too. I'm just gonna get the smoker going to heat it up till it gets to a slow burn by itself. How's the quality of the stream? Is the connection good? Don't really have a way of checking it. Okay, bye bye Boxy, have a good day. Enjoy the herb garden. Getting the upper hand, your voice sounded like Corpse Husband earlier in the week though. Damn, dude. How long were you out? For a week? Okay, it's probably fine. So now we're gonna smoke around the hives a little bit just to alert them. Never blow right into the hives, just around them is fine. And then I'm gonna put it here, so the smoke's gonna blow around the area. And then, yeah, we can pick it up later if we really need to pump some more smoke into the hives, if they appear to be annoyed. Day one from home, noticed that it wasn't a good idea. Why not? I mean, you should have just rested then. So which one are we checking first? This one? This one? I know this is the awesome one. I know this is the weaker one. So maybe let's start with the weaker one and work up to some good news or some good vibes. Okay, just the camera beat. Voice and lungs hurt at the end of the day. Oh my god, man, take care of yourself, okay? Okay, let's see. I'm a little bit nervous because I haven't done this in almost half a year. We'll see. Oh wait, why is the chat thingy not working? The chat box. Okay, let's see. Maybe it resets. Probably back at work tomorrow. Okay, take care of yourself, my friend. Hold on. I'm trying to fix the chat box because I think it's a bit broken. Okay, that should probably do it. Do you think, were you planning on going to Elfia this weekend? Do you think you'll be going? No, it's not this weekend, it's next weekend, right? Okay. I always put the lid or boxes on top of the another hive. It's easiest. Let's see if they ate a little bit. Not that much, it seems. So let's just take this away then. Check if there's any bees on the other side. There is. Okay. And then let's get the tool. Okay, so now what we're gonna try to find out in this hive is how many bees are actually there. If you see it's too small, then oh, you probably won't, since you have to work on Saturday. That's on Sunday, right? So yeah, we're gonna check if there's bees inside. If there is, how many. Then we're gonna check if there's eggs, because that tells us we have a healthy working queen. Then we're gonna check how much food they have. Okay, I see. It's not that many bees. And let's check how the smell is. Because a good smelling hive is usually a sign of good health. Oh. It smells nice, not too great. It smells sweet, but also a bit alcohol-y in some way. I think maybe some of the honey fermented during the winter. Okay. Let's get one frame out. So for the plastic ones, I usually just use my hands. But for this one, because the wooden frames are so stuck, I use the grappling. It seems all the bees are located here around the middle, so what I'm gonna do is take this one out and then work my way from here to there. Okay. There's still a lot of honey on this frame. As you can see, everything that's white, that's all honey. So it seems like they didn't eat that much during winter. Okay, I'm just gonna blow a little bit of smoke in there to push them down. Seems like the smoker's already out. So you didn't go to facts either then, Victor? So never blow directly into the hive, just a little bit around. Let the smoke naturally flow in. Okay. Okay, let's continue. So now what we're gonna do is we took out one frame and we're gonna move them from one space to the next. We're also gonna check each of those frames. So there's some dead bees on there. This one's all moldy. I guess this used to be a frame for eggs. It's really nasty. It's quite nasty and moldy. As you can see, there's a lot of moisture. It's not a good sign. Oh, this one's really stuck. I may have to reduce this hive to just one level instead of two, because with this level of moisture it's not good. This is probably all fermented fermented honey. They weren't able to dry it out in time. Yeah, it smells very fermented. It smells like beer. That's not good. This is probably not just moisture, but pretty much alcohol actually. Shit. That's no good. Okay, we're getting closer to the nest now. Yeah, same story here. Fermenting honey. Okay, now we're at the frames of the nest, so now we have to be really careful and slow about it. Because there is a chance the queen is on this frame, and if we kill her, yeah, we're in trouble, man. So here, lots of honey, even some fresh honey, I think. No queen. Okay, next frame, this is the core of the nest. So especially with this one, we have to be super careful. Can you see everything well? Or should I move the camera a bit? Ah, damn it. That was way too much of a shock. You can see a few bees. Main part of the nest, lots of pollen, staafmeel in the Netherlands. No queen. And no eggs. But maybe we'll find eggs on the next frame. Always return the frames in their original orientation. Thinking what I should do about the frames with the fermenting honey. Maybe I should just take them out instead of reducing the level. I'm gonna tilt the camera just a little more. Okay, this could be the frame with the queen. Oh, look at that. Nice. So here on the left we have some eggs, some overcapped eggs. They're gonna be fresh new bees in the next I don't know, 4 to 5 days, and we have some eggs in there. Nice. It's not much. Pretty much every empty cell has eggs in them. That's great. That means there's a queen in here, and she's doing her job. Okay, maybe she's on the other side. Let's have a look. Same story here. Lots of eggs in every frame. In every empty cell, I mean. And a big patch of closed off eggs they're gonna hatch in the next 4 to 5 days. So that means they're doing okay. We're probably gonna have to make the hive a bit smaller. to make sure they're doing okay with all the moisture. Okay, put that back. Again, slowly. I don't think the queen was on here. We can never be too sure. Okie dokie. Actually, I could easily just say that now that we know there's eggs in here and we're certain that there's a queen, we can already stop this inspection. But I do feel like I want to check this frame also. Just to make sure if there's eggs on there as well. From here, I don't think I see them. Let's try and make sure, because this seems like the most bee-filled frame, the busiest frame of the nest. I always try not to crush any bees, but sometimes it's inevitable. Okay, there's a big chance the queen is on this one. Again, lots of eggs. Great. Like lots of them on the left side. You can see the brown patches. And in those small cells, I don't know how close I can go, you can see small eggs and baby bees. I don't see the queen on here. Ah, there she is. It's the queen. Oh wait, no, I lost her myself. Ah, there she is. There she goes. The one with the big butt. Okay, they are getting a bit stingy, however, so I'm gonna start putting them back very, very carefully. Always when you treat the frame with the queen, they get a little upset because they want to protect her, of course. Okay, and that makes me a bit nervous. It's also the way she walks. She walks very purposefully, like she puts her butt in the cells. She moves from cell to cell. You can see the bees, they move out of her way, and then you have some bees who follow her behind and they help her. You know, they when she puts in the eggs, they feed the eggs right away after her. So that's the way you can recognize. And she has a bigger butt. She's bigger than the other bees generally. So yo, sup Elmer. Sup my friend. Yeah, my gloves. I can maybe change the view later, but now for now, while I'm in the box, I'm gonna stay like this. No worries. The bees in the feeding thing are extremely noisy. Guess they're a bit annoyed. Damn man, I really suck at lighting smokers. Seriously. Okay, good. I think maybe it's a bit too early to already split them into a different hive. Because they're not all the way occupying the hive from left to right. See, there's a few empty frames that are not even built out yet, so not even from last year, so it's probably too early to do that. Okay, nothing on this one. No eggs, no honey. But a ton of bees though. This one's really sticky. And this one's really light as well. There's a ton of eggs on this one. Pretty much every cell is has eggs on it. That's great. Means we have a strong queen. Is she on this one? I don't think so. Here you can see a honey kiss. There's bees sharing the honey with each other. They stick out their tongues and transfer from one bee to another. It's called the honey kiss. It's really cute. But we see eggs, so I think I pretty much know what I need to know about this hive. If there's so many eggs, it's doing well. So there's no need to disturb it further. I can just lock it back up. But with that amount of eggs, it means that probably somewhere in the next month, the population of the hive is going to explode. And then I may need to look into splitting a part of this hive into the hive that died during winter. Now I think it's a bit too early to do that. Should probably wait another few weeks. Okay, that's it. Now I'm just gonna clean the garden so it's nice to work in again, and then I'll probably end the stream after that's done. And off stream I'll probably check all these frames to see what's going on in there.